Hey everyone, how's it going? So for today's adventure, 4 of us that have been on this trip chartered a private boat. 4 of us are heading up to Phang Nga Bay, which is a national park just north of Phuket. And we're actually going to be heading out to Kayaking. Yes, that's how it's pronounced. Which is also better known as James Bond Island. It's where one of the James Bond movies, part of it was shot. It's kind of that iconic scene where there's like a house on top of a rock. So yep, we're gonna go to that today, and we're gonna have a lot of fun doing it. I'm gonna try to catch some B-roll of us heading up there, but I make no promises simply because the waters have been pretty rough, and I'm pretty sure that if you guys were to watch this, you'd probably get seasick. So I don't want that. But stay with me. Hang out with me today because we're gonna go on an awesome adventure and I can't wait for it. So I can't make this up. We just met our guide for the day. We are going to James Bond Island and our guide's name is literally Bond, like B-O-N-D. I cannot make this up, and I literally called him out for lying to me, but it was on the paper and it's on his name tag. So we're going to James Bond Island with Bond. How cool is that? Time to get on the boat. So I don't know. Which boat are we getting on today? Are we getting on the Mako today? The Mako! We're going on the Mako today. Coming back from James Bond Rock, we are now gonna go to a little village, I guess, and go get some kayaks, and then we are gonna go kayak underneath some of these limestone cliffs, so that should be really fun. I'm really excited about it. I think we're gonna have to do a 2-person kayak, so I'm probably gonna have to go with Mary and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully she doesn't kill me and try to drown me in the water. So. Oh, do you? I'm sorry, I guess you could hear me say that. Oh, and by island, I meant a floating barge full of kayaks. Not an island. Yep. When you come back from your excursion and the tide is super low, this is what you get.
Do you want to move?
So essentially there was a tractor that came out onto the water and then picked us up off the boat with this kind of floating dock on it, which was pretty sweet. So it's actually pretty neat, fun little ride on the way home. Nice way to just end the trip. Alright guys, so we just finished our James Bond Island excursion and it was absolutely phenomenal. So just to recap, we chartered a private boat, took us out to Hong Island and into like the Hong Island chains into Hong Island Bay, which was absolutely stunning. Probably one of the best lagoons I've ever seen in my life. From there we went all the way over to James Bond Rock, James Bond Island. Honestly, a little underwhelming. It's just a giant rock. Like there's no house on it like in the movie The Man with the Golden Gun. Like that was all superimposed. It's very, very touristy, and overall just honestly I could have done without it, but that's just me. From there we actually took the boat into some mangroves, which was pretty sweet, and then we actually parked the boat at what I thought was going to be a dock. Actually it was just like a floating barge, and we got in kayaks and had tours kayak us through mangroves and caves, which was a ton of fun. So that was definitely a little unexpected and definitely well worth it. From there we went back to Hong Island, dropped us off on a secluded private beach over there, which was awesome. It was so scenic, so beautiful. I couldn't catch any footage of it. Sorry about that, guys. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. And from there, we went to Hong Beach, which was pretty fun, kind of like a little cove. Actually, it's probably where they should have shot the beach and not in Maya Bay, but nah, who am I to say? Anyway, at that point, it's about 4 o'clock, so we headed back, took the boat back. Low tide, so we got to take the tractor ride in. overall, guys, it was a fantastic day with a fantastic just trip and excursion. So that's it for the James Bond Island excursion. If you guys liked the video, or if it inspired you to travel or take more adventures, please hit that like button below. Even if not, hit that dislike button. Make sure you leave a comment in the section below as to why you didn't like it. If it's your first time here at the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell to make sure that you stay up to date with all the new videos that we're going to be releasing. Thanks very much, guys. Can't wait to explore with you next time. Take it easy.